Namaste children. In today's class we will be learning subtraction of 9. How to subtract 9? See, suppose the example, this is 11 and you have to subtract 9. So less 9 is less 10, add 1. Why 1? Because 1 is friend of 9. So always in subtraction we subtract the tens rod from the left hand. We lift the left hand. So less 10, add 1. See, it was 11. Now after subtraction, it is 2. So 11 minus 9 is 2. See one more example. Suppose this number is 23. You have to subtract 23 and you have to subtract 9. So what we do, we always write 9 below 3. When we're doing ordinary subtraction, 23 minus 9, so you write always 9 below 3. So subtraction, in this case what to do? Less 10, add 1. Okay, so always lift the left hand. Less 10, add friend. So 23 minus 9 becomes 14. Okay, this way. So what to do the practice? First to do the practice of formula, less 9 is less 10, add 1. So what to do? We will set the abacus at the tens rod. 10. 10. Make many tens to practice, to memorize the formula. So 10 now. Less 9 is less 10, add 1. 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 Less 10, add 1. Like this, okay? So do the practice in the flow so as you could get the formulas in flow, okay? And see, you have to be updated with all the work that we had done. Addition of all the numbers, all the big friends. So I am keeping all the links in the description box. Please go through if you have not practiced, you have not seen the beginners, if you have not watched all the videos. Okay, so first set this 9. See the example questions, 9. Now you have to add 7. So 7 of friend of 7 is 3. Less 3, add 10. Less 9, less 10, add 1. Add 8. Less 2, add 10. This is 15. Okay. So addition of this 8 and 7 that you had learned already. If you are forgetting, if you are missing out, see the description box. Attach the link. 13. Less 9, less 10, add 1. 9, add 9. Less 1, add 10. Add 8. Less 2, add 10. See what I have done. Again, it's 21. Again, I am showing you this. 13, less 9, less 10, add friend. Less 10, add 1. Why 1? Because friend of 9 is 1. So we are subtracting 9, so friend will be added. Add 9. Less friend, add 10. Add 9. So less friend, add 10. Add 8. Less 2, because 2 is friend, add 10. Okay, 21. 11. 6. Less 9. Less 10, add 1. 4. You have to add 4. So we had learned this. Less friend, add 10. Friend of 4 is 6. So less 6, add 10. This is 12. Next number, 9. 1. Less 9, add 10. Okay. Less 9. 10, add 1. 6. So this is 7. 4. 7. Less 3, add 10. Less 9. Less 10, add 1. 3. Add 5, less 2. Okay. We added 2 here. Answer is 5. Okay. I hope we are very clear. If any doubt, rewind it and write in the comment box. I will explain you again. Okay. If you like this, please subscribe and share with your friend. Thank you very much.